Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Greek yogurt without straining any water. A very thick yogurt, very simple and easy for you to try at home. Do you get it? But before we go on, I want to plead with you. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Click on the bell icon to get notification, like and share the video. And so we have our pan here and we are going to pour in 2 liters of water. Take it to the fire for it to boil very well. 2 liters of water. Do you get it? Now this is our milk powder. This we call it nido in Ghana. Each contains 2 cups of milk. The 2 cups here is the Ghana cup. When you convert it to the Western cup, is going to be 4 cups each, making 8 cups. So in Ghana, this is 4 cups of milk powder. And so our water has boiled and we are mixing the milk with the water, the boiling water. And you need full fat milk for this, okay? Mix it very well to make sure that you don't get any form of lumps in it. Do you get it? Mix the milk very well. Please like and share this video. Leave a comment as well. Click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And so mix your milk very well. You can mix it and put it on fire and cook it, but I prefer boiling the water and then mixing the milk. After, leave it there for it to cool for some time. Do you get it? It should be 50-50, not too hot, not too cold. And so place your clean finger in it, count 1 to 10, and if you are okay, then it means your milk is ready for you to add your culture. If your milk is too hot, it is going to kill the starter or the bacteria, and if it's too cold, it will not activate. Do you get it? This is the starter we are going to use. Yogurt starter or the yogurt culture called Yogourmet. Now this is 3 grams, and the instruction is that with every liter of water or every liter of milk, you should use 1 gram. Do you get it? And we are using 2 liters of milk. Do you get it? And so using the 3 grams, it's okay to not spoil anything. And so scoop some of the milk, add the culture or the starter to it, and then you are going to mix it very well. Do you get it? Mix it very well. Please like and share this video and leave a comment. Because we are making a Greek yogurt, a very thick yogurt, we did not use a lot of water. So you see, I used the equal measurement of the milk to the water. So I'm going to pour it into this bowl and then cover with cling film and then cover with the lid of the bowl. Leave it at a warm place for at least 8 hours. But I did this overnight. So at least 8 hours. You can do it for 16 hours. And mine was more than 8 hours. I did it for 12 hours. Yes. So I'm going to cover this and leave it at a warm place. Do you get it? So yes, I left it in my gas oven. It was off. The oven was off. Okay. And so this is the next day, and then we are going to check on our yogurt. Yes, so it is ready. You see, let's take the cling film off and then see. And so this is our Greek yogurt. This, you don't need to drain any water from it. So at this point, you can decide to add your flavors, your sweetener, sugar, or whatever you want to add for it to taste, to give it a taste. But before you add all those things, make sure you scoop some, save it in your freezer for your next yogurt. And so the trick is, the quantity of milk should be equal to the quantity of water. That is, I used 4 cups of milk powder, which is Ghana cup, and the water too is 4 cups. That is 2 liters. Do you get it? Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.